Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to withdraw Trust Wallet to EasyPaisa Easy Guide. First, confirm the coin you plan to convert and check network fees. Next, choose a reliable exchange or P2P service that supports withdrawals to EasyPaisa. Make sure your KYC is complete and your EasyPaisa account is verified to accept transfers. Finally, double-check recipient details and complete a small test transfer before moving larger amounts. Start by verifying EasyPaisa and completing KYC on your chosen exchange or P2P platform. Fund Trust Wallet with the exact coin you will convert and leave extra for gas fees. Check current network fees and expected conversion rate so you aren't surprised. Set up two-factor authentication and secure backup phrases before initiating transfers. Having everything prepared reduces mistakes and speeds up the withdrawal to EasyPaisa while keeping your funds safe. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe and like so I can keep making simple guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and saving, and it pairs nicely with learning smarter withdrawal habits. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Sell or convert your crypto on an exchange that supports EasyPaisa payouts, or use a vetted P2P trader who sends to EasyPaisa. Generate a withdrawal request and enter your EasyPaisa number or linked account details exactly. Pay attention to withdrawal limits, fees, and processing times before confirming. After sending, monitor both the exchange and EasyPaisa app for updates, and save screenshots or transaction ID until the money appears in your EasyPaisa balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.